Welcome back, folks. Today, we're going hands-on with a beast of capability and style at the 2025 Ford Ranger Super Duty. This isn't just a rugged workhorse, it's a refined, modern truck engineered for the toughest jobs and everyday versatility. Whether you're an off-road adventurer, a daily commuter, or someone hauling heavy gear, the new Ranger Super Duty might just be your perfect match. Let's get into the details. Body panels. The Ranger Super Duty's body has been redesigned for both strength and aerodynamics. It features high-strength steel throughout, making it incredibly durable while reducing weight to boost performance and fuel economy. The flared wheel arches, sculpted lines, and raised hood give it a muscular, commanding presence on the road or off-it. The cargo bed is reinforced and built to endure demanding tasks, whether you're loading tools or outdoor gear. Headlights. Up front, you'll find new C-clamp LED headlights that combine form and function. They offer exceptional brightness and clarity for nighttime driving, and the automatic high beam feature adjusts to oncoming traffic, improving visibility without blinding others. Signature LED accents frame the headlights, adding a modern edge to the truck's bold appearance. Taillights. The taillights on the 2025 Ranger Super Duty are equally sharp, a full LED with a vertical orientation that adds a tough, upright look. They light up fast and bright, improving safety and visibility in all conditions. Some trims also include a welcome lighting animation, making even your exit and entry feel premium. Grille. Dominating the front is the wide, imposing grille, available in chrome, matte black, or body color finishes depending on the trim. It's more than just aggressive styling. The grille also enhances airflow for engine cooling and contributes to the truck's strong front-end stance. It's tough, functional, and makes a strong statement. Seats. Inside, the Ranger Super Duty surprises with comfort and quality. The seats are supportive and wide, with available options for premium leather, heating, ventilation, and power adjustability. Whether you're on a job site or a cross-country road trip, the seats are built to reduce fatigue and maximize comfort. Dashboard. The dashboard design blends rugged durability with smart tech. You get durable materials that can handle wear and tear, while still looking modern and clean. The layout is intuitive. Large knobs and buttons are glove-friendly, and everything is oriented toward the driver for easy access. Infotainment system. At the center of the dash is Ford's latest Sync 4 system with a standard 10.1-inch or optional 12-inch touchscreen. It features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, voice command, and over-the-air updates. The system is fast and user-friendly, and higher trims also come with a premium BO audio system that delivers crystal-clear sound on the go. Steering wheel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel is more than just comfortable, it's multifunctional. Controls for cruise, media, and driver assist features are all within thumb's reach. It's also heated on upper trims, which is a great touch for colder climates. The grip is thick and tactile, reinforcing the Ranger's tough, confident character. Engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Ranger Super Duty offers serious power. The base engine is a 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6, offering strong low-end torque for towing and off-road driving. Step up, and you get the legendary 3.5-liter EcoBoost or even a high-output turbocharged diesel in select trims. Each option is paired with Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth, responsive shifts whether you're hauling or cruising. Hybrid option. Ford is also introducing a hybrid powertrain for the Ranger Super Duty, a 2.3-liter EcoBoost paired with an electric motor. This setup delivers a solid balance between power and efficiency, ideal for drivers who need capability but want better fuel economy and lower emissions. It's a smart option for both city and light-duty utility use. Airbags. The Ranger Super Duty doesn't compromise on safety. It includes a comprehensive airbag system. A front, side, curtain, and driver's knee airbags are all standard. These provide advanced protection in the event of a collision and work with Ford's high-strength safety cage structure to keep occupants secure. Parking assist. This truck may be big, but parking it isn't a problem. Standard on many trims is a rear-view camera with dynamic guidelines, while upper trims offer Ford's Active Park Assist 2.0. This feature helps you parallel and perpendicular park with minimal input as the truck does the steering for you. Plus, the available 360-degree camera system gives you a bird's-eye view, making tight spots much easier to navigate. Price. The 2025 Ford Ranger Super Duty starts at around $36,000 for the base XL trim and goes up to about $58,000 for fully loaded Lariat or Platinum trims. With its wide range of features, engine options, and capabilities, it offers excellent value for both professionals and families who want a rugged yet refined truck. So, is the 2025 Ford Ranger Super Duty the right truck for you? If you're looking for serious utility with modern comfort and tech, it's hard to beat. It's capable, versatile, and now smarter than ever. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more deep dive reviews, and let us know in the comments, would you go for the gas, diesel, or hybrid version of the Ranger Super Duty?